Standard 2, Subject English, page number 51. Let's speak. Now look, listen and repeat. The little girl, this is little girl. The little girl is sitting between her mother and father. Between दोघांच्या मध्ये. The cradle is between two coconut trees. Between two coconut trees. The bench is between two trees. The house is between two trees. Now this girl is sitting between two walls. Between दोघांच्या मध्ये. Now look. The duck is swimming with her ducklings. With बरोबर. Now look. The girl is walking with her mother. With. The birds are flying over the trees. च्यावरून. The birds are flying over the trees. Now these birds are flying over the trees. The aeroplane is flying over the river. The aeroplane is flying over the river. Now look. The butterflies are fluttering around the flowers. The butterflies are fluttering around the flower. Around, सभोवती. Around, गोलाकार. Now look. The dog is running around the tree. The dog is running around the tree. The man is standing near the car. This is car. The man is standing near the car. The dog is standing near the door. Near the door. Near, जवळ. The car is parked under the tree. Under the tree. The car is parked under the tree. Under, खाली. The girl is sitting under the table. The girl is sitting under the table. The boy is sitting by the stream. The boy is sitting by the stream. She was the only girl playing among the boys. Among, सगळ्यांच्या मध्ये. She was only the girl playing among the boys. Now look. Click on the right prepositions. Now you have to click on the right prepositions. Now look. The teddy is. This is the teddy. The teddy is on under. So which is the correct? The teddy is under the chair. The tablet is. This is tablets. The tablet is under on. Which is the correct? On. This is on the table. The tablet is on. The train set. This is train set. The train set is on, in, on. The doll is. This is doll. And this is box. The doll is under, in. So under, in. The guitar is. This is guitar. The guitar is in, behind. So behind is correct. The teddy is on, behind. On. The teddy is on the chair. The ball is in, under. The ball is in the bag. In. The guitar is behind, in. This is behind. The guitar is behind the box. Behind. Next. Now look here. Now look, this is mouse, cat. The cat is under the box. Now this is the bird. Bird is between two boxes. Two boxes between. Now this cat is out of the box. or cat is close to the box? Now this cat is in the box or cat is inside the box? It is correct. The bird is flying above the box. Above the box. This cat is behind the box and the bird is on the box and this cat is in front of the box. Now look here. Preposition of place. In. The ball is in the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is next to the box. The ball is behind the box. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is between the two boxes. Now say between, with, over, among, near, under, by, around. Thank you.